friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are back at Walgreens and we are looking at various deals in store specifically. And there's one deal I think everybody should do, that is the Scott's paper towel deal for $2. I mean, that is a tremendous price point. Now, I know a lot of you love to buy Christmas on clearance. It's 80%. That is the limit for this. I know that a lot of stores, especially around me, are going to start packaging it up by the end of the weekend. So you'd probably want to look for that today because it might be gone early next week because they send it back to head office and then it gets salvage sold to another company. Ollie's, those sort of companies that buy seasonal shelf pulls. Dive into the math of this video. If you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And if you have the hype button, if you want to press it, I would also be very grateful, just to ensure that this video gets out there and a lot of people are saving money. At the very end of the video, I'm going to show you a very good meat and potatoes basket with either the 6-pack when you spend 30 or this 10-pack when you spend 30. It's always your mileage may vary if you get these boosters. And last week when I was in the store, these were also printing for me. So I'm going to stack one of these with the deal just to show you using a paper and a digital and how you'll get either 17 or possibly 15 back. Okay, so this first paper deal I think everybody should be doing. It is to grab 2 of the Scott's toilet paper and 2 of the Scott paper towels. And even if you're not so fancy on these paper products, this is a heck of a stock up price. This morning we got a birthday gift, which is the 2 off 2 for the paper and then a 2 off a 2 for the paper towels. So that's why you need the mix and match of 2 and 2 to the total is 4. The promotion this week for this is that when you buy 2 of these, you're getting back a $3 register reward when you buy 4 units. And they're buy one, get one 50% off. So these bags of paper are usually $5 per unit. So 4 of them on a BOGO 50% off is $15. Subtracting $4 in digital coupons, you're going to pay $11. Get back a $3 register reward. It makes it $8 for the 4 or $2 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but obviously because this is such a great deal, I'm going to throw this into a $30 basket at the end with a booster. So hang on for that one. Another really great deal is with the Scott's 1000, and if you know, this toilet paper seems to last forever. It is a little bit more, but it's such a great toilet paper, especially if this is what you use. It's a single ply, but a lot of us enjoy it. This is a favorite of my husband's. This coupon is in fact attaching to it, and it's just a variation on the deal in case you're like, I don't really like the first toilet paper. So it's on the same promotion. It's $9.99 per unit, $3 reward when you buy 2 with only one 2 off 2 coupon. So grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $19.98. Subtracting that $2 digital, you're paying $17.98. You're getting back a $3 register reward, making it $14.98 for the 2 or $7.49 per bag of 12 rolls. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but certainly with this amount of $19.98, that would be like almost $20 of a $30 basket. So this is something you might consider if you are a big fan of the Scott's 1000. Another great deal that we have this week, I mean, the great deals just continue. It is the $12.99 laundry care or like cleaning products by P&G that are $12.99 that include this. Unfortunately, this was out of stock at my store. It's one of those plugs that you put those oils in, the oil warmers. And we have a $3 for the liquid and a $5 for that magical plug. That is a new product. The promotion for these are that when you buy 2 of them, you're getting back a $5 register reward. So grabbing 1 liquid detergent and one of those plugs, it's going to be $25.98. They're $12.99 each, guys. And subtracting the 5 and the 3, you're going to pay $17.98. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $12.98 for the 2 or $6.49 per product. Check that P&G register reward when it expires. If it's a quick expiry date, scoot your butt back into the store and buy something else, because I know sometimes that happens with P&G products. It's like 1 or 2 days and it expires into a pumpkin. Okay, and then if you might have received this home mailer and you just want to do a different kind of deal that's heavier with these booster starter kits, it's a newer product, and if you're really into the Febreze oils, grab 2 of them for this one, but you need one of these home mailers. A lot of us received them. So 2 of these kits would be $25.98. You're subtracting 1 paper and 1 digital, so that's $10 of coupons melting off right there. You'd have to pay $15.98, get back a $5 register reward, making it $10.98 for the 2 or $5.49 per oil warmer. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, and please make sure the cashier scans both plug kits so both coupons apply. If they scan one and key in the second, only one coupon will come off for like products, but you already knew that. Okay, another super deal that we have this week is with the Palmolive and Suavitel. Unfortunately, the Suavitel fabric softener, they do not sell it in my region. We did get this dollar digital, and Suavitel also has a dollar digital coupon, so if you can grab 1 of each, rock and roll time. But when you buy 2 of these, you're getting back a $2 register reward, and we have a dollar coupon off of each. So grabbing both, it's going to be $5.98 at $2.99 per unit. Subtracting for me, only a $1 digital, so I'll pay $4.98, get back a $2 register reward, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per dish soap. Alternatively, if you can grab both a Suavitel and a Palmolive, it'll be $1.98 for 2 or 99 cents each. So that is the much better deal if you can track down 2 and load both dollar digital coupons. Now we're going to look at a deal for the Dove shampoo and hopefully do this deal earlier in the week, because as the week marches on, this is one product when they're giving this stuff away, it just kind of vanishes off the shelf. And the promotion for these $5 shampoos is that there's a $4 reward when you purchase 2 with a 4 off a 2 digital coupon. So make sure you have this loaded. And this morning, nothing was tagged at my store, so that's why I don't have tags for you in this video, but you already knew that. So 2 of these Dove shampoos is $10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per shampoo. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But to stock up for dollar Dove shampoo, this is a no-brainer. And just be super mindful, guys. Sometimes that $4 digital does not come off, and that happens to the best of us. So I would absolutely double, triple check. And if it doesn't come off, don't be shy to call customer service for a little bit of assistance, because it happens with this one product. It's very odd. The Dove body wash. This is another great deal this week. Why not stock up? We have a very generous 5 off a 2 digital coupon to go with this, and there's also a promotion for Dove. And hang on to your receipt and photograph it to fetch in case there might be a couple extra points for you. It's $8 with a $3 reward when you purchase 2 with that very generous 5 off 2 digital coupon. So 2 of these body washes will be $16. My favorite is the sensitive one. Subtracting that generous coupon, you're going to pay $11. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $8 for the 2 or $4 per unit. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This next deal, we're looking at the Nexxus shampoo, and I do want to extend an apology. I had a math error in yesterday's video, and big thank you to the shoppers that pointed it out. You guys were right. I don't know what I was doing. This is the coupon I anticipated, and this is the deal that when you spend at least 20 plus or more, you're going to get back a $10 reward, and the Nexxus is in fact 16. I know a lot of you prefer Nexxus than the Shea Moisture, so 2 of those fancy shampoos is 32. Subtracting our digital coupon, you're going to pay 24. Get back a $10 register reward, making it 14 for the 2 or $7 per unit. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. But if you have spend 30 to earn back 10, this would be an ideal product, especially if you want to get some Nexxus on the cheap. And if you're going to use a booster, obviously you'd have to pay with debit, credit, or bills for the balance. Okay, so this deal is back with the Colgate brush and the paste, and this morning we got $2.50 coupons as anticipated for both products. So just to give you a quick glance, what do the coupons look like? Load both of them. All digital coupons are also of a one-time use for all the new shoppers out there. And this is the promotion that when you purchase 2, you're getting back a $3 register reward, and it's the products priced at $4.50. So one paste and one brush at $4.50 is $9, subtracting $5 in digital coupons, $2.50 for the brush, $2.50 for the paste. You're paying $4, getting back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have this coupon, which is a 5 off of 3 from a couple weeks back, I no longer have it, so I can't even show you guys the visual. You're going to grab the cheapest product that's either the $3.50 toothpaste or that specific toothbrush that I just showed you. Okay, so 3 of those Oral-B brushes is going to be $10.50. Subtracting our digital coupon, you're paying $5.50, getting back a $5 register reward. Check the expiry date of that register reward. It might be in the middle of the week and you don't want to lose that $5 by leaving it in your pocket or your wallet. Anyhow, it makes it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per unit. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Now we have a very cheap Poise pad deal, and you're going to have to really look for these in your store. We have a 6 off of 2 and a $2.50 off of 1, so that's $8.50 in digital coupons melting off for this deal. They are 14 for 2, the ones that you're looking for in the store. So 3 of those is going to be $21. Subtracting $8.50 in digital coupons, you'll pay $12.50, get back $10 in Walgreens cash, making it $2.50 for the 3 or 83 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but what a spectacular deal. IBOTTA also had rebates, but it's for the larger count Poise liners, not the smaller ones, so I do not believe it'll qualify. This is another superb deal this week on the Men's Axe Body Wash. We have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, and it's on a promotion of buy one, get one 50% off. So grabbing 2 of them, it's going to be $8.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, and what a terrific use of $4 of Walgreens cash. Absolutely love it when this deal shows up for the Softsoap refills for $5.99. We have this coupon, which is a 4 off of 2. Alternatively, if you don't like what I'm picking out, you can get the Irish Spring Bar Soap or the Softsoap Body Wash. Now, the promotion for this is 2 of those will be $11.98. Subtracting our coupon, you're going to pay $7.98, get back a $2 register reward, making it $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. A very popular shampoo amongst many of my subscribers is the L'Oreal Elvive. This week we have a 3 off 2 manufacturer and a 3 off of 2 store coupon. There's nothing back like a register reward or anything, but it just makes this shampoo very cheap. 2 of these for $11, subtracting $6 in digitals, a store and a manufacturer. You're going to pay $5, so it makes it $2.50 per unit. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Just be really mindful that if you are going to throw this in with a booster deal, it's actually, after the $3 store coupon, you're buying $8 of merchandise, not the full $11. This final matchup, we're doing the 10 back when you spend 30, whichever digital booster you might have, and stacking it 1 digital with a paper 1 if you can line this up, and it's $15 back on a $30 basket. How great is that? For this basket, we're going to grab 4 of the Scott paper products, 2 paper towels, and 2 toilet papers for $15, 2 of the Dove shampoos for $10, and 2 Colgate products for $9, a mix and match of the paste and a brush. Our total is $34. We're going to get the cashier to scan our paper booster, have our digital booster loaded, along with $13 in digitals melting off. 4 for Scott, 4 for Dove, and 5 for Colgate. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $21. And then you're getting back $15 in Walgreens cash for the double stack, a $3 register reward for Scott, a $3 register reward for Colgate, and a $4 register reward from Dove, making this free plus a $4 moneymaker. Alternatively, if you only have 1 booster, it's like $1 for everything, which is a very good basket. Do not use Walgreens cash when you're using those boosters because it's going to mess everything up. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Good luck and have fun out there. Do that paper deal. It's exactly what it's about for extreme couponing. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.